We begin this evening with a primetime news follow-up. There is still uncertainty about the current location of the Criminal Records Office. Our news team understands that the authorities have been given a time frame to address air quality issues raised by the Public Health Department earlier this week.
Now TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the latest.
I'm standing here along Orange Street in downtown Kingston. Just behind me is the Criminal Records Office. Now, for weeks, this location was being retrofitted to facilitate the relocation of the Criminal Records Office. But earlier this week, the Public Health Department came in and raised several issues about air quality in the building. Operation is in full swing today. But if that's not addressed, the government will have to find yet another location to house the Criminal Records Office. There has been public outcry already, and now the fresh air quality concern is worrying. On Friday, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson and the National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang visited the location. Our cameras were not allowed on the inside, but it's understood that extensive work is underway to ensure the doors remain open.
I have made contact with the engineering firm to take some steps to have it corrected by Monday. So we intend to ensure that the facility continues the operation, but to do so under conditions that are acceptable in terms of health standards.
The main problem now is how we get as much fresh air as we need in and out of the building.
The Police Federation raised concerns about the state of the building before operations began, but it appears those calls fell on deaf ears. We put the issue to the police commissioner.
So we did considerable work before moving in here. It was the place that was most ready that we could find to move in. And as the minister had said, the consequences of not issuing certificates is significant to the country and to people. And so we have to balance the two things. This place is not ideal, but a lot of people got together and did a whole lot of work over a short space of time to try and get this place ready, or as ready as possible.
According to the commissioner, more than 1,700 certificates have been issued since the Criminal Records Office resumed operations on Tuesday. So, with extensive work to be carried out this weekend to address air quality issues at the office, there's no doubt Jamaicans will be keeping a close watch.
We recognize that there are challenges. We're working significantly in overcoming them so we can provide the service. But the concerns that our staff are in good conditions and the best conditions are something that's sort of near and dear to me, certainly, and the welfare of my members. So that we balance both things, and we're working at it to get everything up the way it should be.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.